Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about extend. Okay, you know about append, you know about insert function. Now you know about the extend to a given list. How could you extend the elements in a given list? So to append the elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. Okay, to append the elements from another list to the current list. Okay, use the extend method. Suppose there is a list is present and you can add the another list or create another list. On that second list you can add the first list, that is going to be extend that list. And any iterable, to the extend method does not have any append list. Okay, the extend method does not have any append list, so you can add any iterable object, tuple, set, dictionary. Okay, you can add also any iterable objects like tuple, set, dictionary. We upcoming times you know about what is the tuple, set and dictionary, very interesting part. And it is also a array, and also declaration is called as a data structure. But in this video we are only follow the list. So how it is going to be work? Suppose there is a list 1 equal to, there is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then there is a list 2 equal to a comma b comma c. Then list 2 dot extend list 1, print list 2. So let's see what is going to be written. A, B, C, then it will be added 1 2 3 4.5. Very interesting. Okay, so you understand what is extends. We can extend the list 2 by adding the list 1 inside the list 2. So when you go for the append this list here, on that particular point, the appended list is generally listed inside the list on the nested listed form. You see in this here when you going to be append function used. So the list is present inside the list, means here is the list. Okay, and the another list is present inside the list, that is called a nested list. List within list is called a nested. But in the case of extend, there is no, if you add the list but is not giving the declaring or giving the uh, suppose you can add the list. Okay, and the list cannot shown inside the list. Okay, so here when you added the list 1 inside the list 2, the list 1 is not showing a list, it will be simple general elements or items inside the list 2. Okay, suppose then if you want to add list 3 equal to, within square bracket there is a double quote SDF comma JKL semicolon. Okay, then print, before print list 3. Okay, list 3 dot extend list 1, then print list 3. So let's see what is going to be shown you here. Okay, so here, sorry, here list. So now here list 3 SDF JKL semicolon, and it will be extended with the list 1 1 2 3 4.5. Very simple. You now you can understand how it is going to be extend a particular list to by help of the another list. That's all. I will completed all the adding, how to add the list items by help of the insert function and append function and extends function. So please practice all the things. If you have further any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notification also. And please click on the subscribe button when I am going to add any new videos. By help of notification you will get. Thank you so much.